Shemai pawb, Shelli Snowman gyda siarad a chwarae. Hi everyone, it's Shelli here again with Talk and Play, ready to read you another Christmas story. So if you're sitting comfortably, I'll begin. Now today's story is called The Snowman's Perfect Present. It's Christmas Eve, but Shelli Snowman isn't excited. He's forgotten to buy Polar Bear a present. I'll go and ask little reindeer what to do, he says. Can you see the snowman, the polar bear? There's some elves and a robin in the tree. Some Christmas trees and an igloo and a little owl. Little reindeer gives Shelli a string of jingly bells. Thank you, says Shelli, but he's not sure how the bells will make a present for the polar bear. Santa's sleigh with the sack of presents and the reindeer, the elves and 2 hedgehogs. There's the lights in the trees and the robin in the nest. So Shelli goes to see Santa. Have this red paint, said Santa. Thank you, says Shelli, but he's not sure what to do with the red paint. How can it make a present for the polar bear? There's Shelli, Santa with the red paint, Mrs. Claus. You see the Christmas trees and a fox, and there are the bells. Shelli can't figure out just how the bells and the red paint can make a present. So he asked the elves for their help. Leave it to us, they say, giggling. Can you see them working? They've got their tools out. Tap, tap, bang, bang. Okay, sawing as well. The candles flickering. The Christmas tree. The red pot of paint. The jingly bells. The elves make a brilliant present. It's a sledge, cries Shelli. Polar Bear thanks everyone and has lots of fun. Merry Christmas, cries Shelli the snowman. Can you see the polar bear on the sledge in the snow? And the reindeer, the Christmas trees, the robin flying with the present, the elves with their sack of presents, the cunning fox, the red paint and the jingly bells. The polar bear looked to have lots of fun there, and Shelli was happy that all his friends could help him. I hope you're helping out at Christmas and being good too. So you stay safe, be careful, have lots of fun with all your friends and family. And that's all from me now. So it's time for me to say goodbye. Hwyl fawr.